What is up, Effin' Outdoors? Yes, you guys could go ahead and comment down below about how retarded we are. But we have a random blizzard happening in the middle of March here in southeast Indiana. And I don't know, I just feel like this weather's gonna have the fish biting. Like, I don't know exactly why, but we're gonna give it hell. We're gonna hit this spot real fast. Then we're gonna run up the street, hit another spot, and then maybe go back to Dad's to finish it off. So stick with us. Here we go. Hey, just for the record out there, guys, I usually don't even deer hunt in this shit. No, I'm just kidding. It's the greatest time to deer hunt when doing shit like this.
Sneak up on you a little better.
Alright, we're gonna start off with this vibing jig. Cranked fishing vibing jig. It'd be pretty fantastic if we caught one of them stripers. Why'd we come straight here? That big old toad had on the bottom. Dude, it takes forever for that bait to get to the bottom in this pond. Alright, we're at spot number 2 out here in the middle of East BFE. Snow slowed down a little bit. We didn't get no fish at spot number 1. The snow was coming down crazy, so we decided to get in the truck and warm up for a little bit and see if we couldn't get on the edge of this snowstorm here. According to the fish calendars, the bite's supposed to pick up later in the day. It's 2 o'clock now, so stick with us. Here we go. Are you kidding me? Mondo! Huh? Mondo!
What the hell? Did you catch it right off the bank?
No, I wasn't even sure if I had a bite, and I set the hook and jerked him right out of the water from about 10 foot out. Well, I'd say that's probably what you're missing. Well, the only way to make that okay is if we catch like 30 of them. There's one. Shaky head rubber worm. Little bitty guy. I guess. Oh, come on.
Little one again?
Yeah. Maybe it's just time. Anyways, we're at spot 3. This weather is absolutely awesome. Bucky's having the time of his life. I mean, look how excited he is to be out here in this winter storm. Actually, it's not a winter storm. This is March bass fishing at its finest right here. Is what this is on spring break. Spring break week. Kids are on spring break. Got one of my kids on our way to Florida. And
definitely wish I was
this is what we're dealing with here. So yeah, I ain't got nothing else to say. I'm flabbergasted. So stick with us. Where I want to fish puts everything right in our freaking face. I mean, right in our face, dude.
It's been against us all day. It's got to give us something right here.
Well, the awesomest part of this whole entire day was catching 2 fish, losing 1, and then losing the SD card that those fish catches are on. That's pretty fantastic. Pretty much makes my day. Okay. So I got the saw crawl on a Strike King Pro model jig. I got Old Faithful here, Old Byron's Way.
There's a fucking Strike King out here one time.
What, that jig?
There's your jerk bait.
Oh, that's not a Strike King. It's a.
Oh, it's not.
That's a. It's a Rapala. That's all there is to it. Oh, dude, it's brutal. Right? Boom goes the dynamite. Mean old brutal world. Oh dude, there's no way. Look at these waves. It's like being at the river. I hope that don't go flying off first cast. Chatter, what's the matter? Hey, did we miss something on that radar? I mean, because wouldn't have mattered, that car's lost him. It sure the hell don't. Hottest hot lap or fastest fall. I don't know which one's gonna happen first. Oh, I missed him. No, I still got him.
Hit him with the hook.
Snowstorm bassing. Snowstorm bassing. Get back in there before you freeze to death. All right. I almost forgot what a jig bite felt like.
Where'd you go?
You're all right. Go wherever you want. I'm gonna catch this fish real fast.
This is I'm going to the
Oh, dude. Dude, this fish is going in convulsions right now. Yeah. Bookmark number 2 on that card. Especially if I can find that other card. They're hitting it on my first pull up, dude. All the way over there.
Oh yeah, there he is. Yep. Yeah, that'd be nice.
Is it convulsing on you?
Yeah. That's what that feels like.
That's what that feels like. Dodge the skunk anyways.
Yeah.
All right. It's still snowing. Yep. So we with the spot number 1, we didn't catch nothing. With the spot number 2, I caught 2 and lost 1 at the bank. Then we came back here to Dad's and I caught 2 and Buck caught 1. And it was probably the most miserable fishing experience of my entire life. This was worse than any ice fishing that I've done. This was worse than any storm that I've been stuck in the middle of. This was the brutalest fishing experience of my life, no doubt about it. But just goes to show you that dedication and endurance and a storm will catch you some fish, no matter what. The fish like it when it's bad. They like the low pressure. They like it. They don't matter what's going on outside of the water, inside the water, they gotta eat. So moral of the story is don't matter what it's doing outside, don't be scared to go out there and get her done. So like always, say F it and get outdoors. Guaranteed it'll be better than sitting inside doing nothing. See ya.
Bye.